cross that road and we fucking get there.
You know what you should do? Take the keys and just throw it into the woods.
To be honest, it really could be anything at this point. Hold this for me.
Jesus Christ. Well, I guess this is where we will remain, boys.
We're almost to
This thing
Frank's.
is fucked. Fuck.
Dude, I
We're gonna run out of
Oh,
gas.
we're not almost to Frank's.
Yeah, no, we're not near Frank's.
We're not near Frank's.
Not really.
Like a
Are we
mile.
halfway to Frank's?
Yeah, we're pretty close to Frank's, but far from Frank's.
I'll take it.
In terms of this vehicle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
come
Ocean
on.
Road.
Oh, oh, come on, come on. Come on.
Come on. No beauty brake works, man.
Oh.
And we're
And
out of
I
gas.
think that's all, folks. Yep, good night.
Oh, my oil, bro. My oil's gone. And the battery's fucked up, I guess.
And scene.
It
Alright, I'm
smells
gonna
like
put her in new.
She moves.
Well, that didn't last very long. We're on that side. But we're not quite on that side.
That's better.
better.
Dig, gents, dig. Oh god. Like, just push me in.
That's how you dig a hole.
So fucking funny. Keep digging, Jeds.
Oh my god, his back is red. Oh, yay. That feels so good. Yay. Oh.
Mark.
God damn it! No, Chase, get out of there! Oh, God damn it!
That didn't work.
You fucked it. Got him.
Jesus!
Shit!
I can't believe he broke the axe.
What happened here? Oh.
Chill out for a hot minute.
That was glass in my hand. Oh my goodness! I need a whipping. My eye.
That's all I want.
Where'd the hammer go?
That window wouldn't break.
Want it?
I couldn't break it.
Wanted it in the fucking hole, Blake. But it wouldn't go in the fucking hole. Plug me in.
The bat is cracked?
Yeah.
Jason, we cracked the bat.
Damn it. This car is indestructible.
Damn Kai. Chance. Parents. Alright, now go get it.
I will.
Jason,
What?
I don't know.
We're gonna really have to vacuum through these seats. I've got glass in the machine.
I almost got glass in my eye. Yeah, did you see that back window? It did not want to break. I was
Is it broken?
Yeah. We just didn't get the back window.
Oh,
Kylie, get the back window.
okay.
Wait, I'm coming.
I'll be back.
I prefer the bat.
Alright, Chance. Throw the cinder block in the windshield.
Sorry, Kylie.
Ooh, ooh, get it. Do it.
No.
Together.
Kylie's job. Kylie gets
Wait, you throw that, I'll throw the hammer.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Both missed.
That's gonna be a large problem.
That?
All the glass on
Oh.
the ground.
I just kind of. Oh, the bat's good at that.
Yeah, it's breaking though.
Keep it in the car. Kathy. Be less aggressive.
No.
Was this you?
It's like a little caterpillar.
Get him!
Dead.
Get on there. Oh. There it is. Oh no.
Yeah, claws.
Yeah. Okay. It's working. question that bridge has.
Yep.
Just for the record, I'm still really pissed about that.
Got a couple still shots for Don. And there she is. Don.
Yeah, I got him. Nice.